Every time you bring your toolbox to the job site, you might find something missing that the project requires. That's why today, we're here with a list of the top tools every toolbox should have. So, if you're facing too many cutting tasks on your DIY project, we really know the hassle. That's why we've kept this Wen Mini circular saw at the first of our list. This tool is compact, powerful, and fits right in the palm of your hand. Perfect for weekend warriors and home project lovers. Whether you're working on wood flooring, drywall, tile, metal pipes, or even carpet, this saw has your back. It's lightweight too, so it's super easy to handle and won't leave your arms sore after a few hours of work. Powered by a 4.2 amp motor, this saw spins its 3 3/8 inch blade up to 4,500 revolutions per minute. That means you can zip through boards up to 1 inch thick with confidence. The trigger is designed with a little slot for your finger, so it naturally kicks into action as you push forward. Need a clean plunge cut? Just adjust the depth stop to exactly where you want it, and you're set even on tough hardwoods. Pursue, you'll get 3 different blades. 1 high-speed steel blade for metal, 1 diamond-coated blade for tile, and 1 carbide-tipped blade for wood. There's also a 4 3/4 inch rip fence for straight cuts, an 80-inch dust extraction tube to keep your space clean, and a rugged, blow-molded carrying case with room for everything. Are you a kind of a guy who loved tackling DIY projects but hate juggling a bunch of tools? Then, this Dremel Blueprint multi-drill is going to be your new best friend. It's a clever 3-in-1 tool that packs a drill, a stud finder, and a laser level all into one compact and easy-to-handle device. Whether you're hanging shelves, putting up a gallery wall, or mounting a TV, this thing takes out the guesswork and makes the job feel way less intimidating. Equipped with a powerful 12-volt brushless motor, giving you the strength to handle a wide range of tasks without the bulky weight of a full-size drill. It's just over 1 pound and a little more than 6 inches long, so it fits easily in your hand and doesn't take up a ton of space in your tool drawer. It's the kind of tool you'll find yourself reaching for all the time because it's just so dang handy. Switching between drill bits and drivers is a breeze thanks to the quick change chuck, and the built-in LED light helps you see clearly in dim corners or tight spaces. Plus, there's a battery level indicator, so you're never caught off guard mid-project. It's all about making the experience smoother and frustration-free. One of the coolest parts? The detachable laser level. It charges with USB-C and even includes a bubble level, so you can line things up with precision and confidence. No more eyeballing and hoping for the best. This makes it super simple to get things perfectly straight. Well, if you've ever wrapped up a DIY project only to find yourself buried in sawdust, you're going to appreciate what the Kreg dust separator brings to the table. It's a super handy add-on for your shop vac setup that helps keep your workspace clean, your air clearer, and your projects running smoothly. This little powerhouse is designed to fit right onto most standard 5-gallon buckets. Once it's in place, it captures over 99.9% of dust and debris before it even hits your vacuum. That means your vacuum filter lasts up to 10 times longer, which is a win for both your time and your wallet. What really sets it apart are the Filter Max fins, which are molded specifically to separate even the finest particles. Meanwhile, the clear top is another nice touch. You can actually see the dust spinning into the separator, so you know it's doing its job. There's also a 90-degree swivel elbow on top, which gives you a more stable setup and helps prevent tipping when you're moving things around the shop. Whether you're just starting to build out your DIY workshop or you're a seasoned woodworker with years of projects under your belt, the Kreg Dust Separator is one of those small upgrades that makes a big difference. Less cleanup, longer-lasting equipment, and a whole lot less dust flying around. Sounds like a win all around. Utility knives are versatile, reliable tools that make cutting tasks easy, whether at a job site or around the house. That's why every working guy needs to check out the STANLEY knives. Known for their sharp, retractable blades, they safely store the blade when not in use and make cutting materials like cardboard, plastic, and more effortless. Many models include a quick change feature, allowing you to swap out blades quickly and without any extra tools, which is perfect for busy work environments. The knives are designed with ergonomic handles that fit comfortably in your hand, helping reduce fatigue during longer tasks. Compact and durable, STANLEY utility knives are ideal for tackling a wide range of cutting needs. The Worx WD331 cordless mini chainsaw combines powerful performance with a user-friendly design, making it perfect for various cutting tasks. Equipped with a high-efficiency brushless motor, this mini chainsaw delivers enhanced power while protecting the motor and eliminating the need for maintenance. Its smart lubrication system ensures the chain stays properly oiled based on usage, optimizing performance without any guesswork. Chain replacement is tool-free, making it quick and easy to swap out chains as needed. Designed to be slim and lightweight, it's comfortable to hold in one hand, reducing fatigue during continuous use. With its efficient, compact design, the Worx WD331 cordless mini chainsaw is an ideal choice for convenience and high performance in a range of outdoor tasks. The Kreg panel carrier makes handling large panels and plywood sheets a breeze, turning a tough task into a simple process of clamp, lift, and go. This tool allows you to confidently carry full 4x8 sheets with just one hand, preventing damage to the sheets and reducing strain on your body. It's not only great for transporting plywood, but also useful for picking up sheets from the store rack, moving pieces during cutting, or positioning plywood parts during assembly. The Kreg panel carrier provides an easy, efficient solution for working with large panels, making it a must-have tool for any project involving sheet materials. This is the Klein D53010 Plier wrench, a versatile tool for secure, damage-free gripping of nuts, bolts, and other workpieces. Its parallel jaws provide a smooth grip, preventing damage or backlash, while the reversible jaw features knurled teeth for extra bite, especially useful when working with conduit. With a handle lever adjustment, the wrench allows for quick adjustments in tight spaces, minimizing hand movement. The high leverage ratio ensures an exceptional grip for holding or bending various workpieces. Made from custom, US-made tool steel, the Plier wrench has a 2-inch max jaw opening and offers 20 adjustment positions, providing maximum versatility for different tasks. The Klein D53010 Plier wrench is built to be durable and efficient, making it an essential tool for any toolbox. We have kept this Pro Ultrablade tape measure on our list. This is a tough, reliable tool made for demanding job sites. Its 32mm blade has a nylon-wrapped anti-tear coating that protects against wear and tear, while a standout of up to 4 meters allows for easier one-handed measuring. Built with a durable, impact-resistant ABS housing and a TPR overmold, this tape measure can handle rough handling. It features double-sided printing for easy reading at any angle, and a heavy-duty wire belt clip keeps it securely attached on the job. Additionally, the tape measure is lanyard-ready for quick tethering, and its magnetic end hook provides a firm grip on metal surfaces, enhancing precision. All of these features make the Pro tape measure an essential, versatile tool for any professional toolbox. Coming up next is the MILWAUKEE Fibreglass Engineers hammer. This tool comes with a good combination of lightweight design and heavy-hitting power. This hammer is built for maximum impact with minimum effort, thanks to its perfectly balanced weight that ensures powerful swings while reducing strain. Made with durable fiberglass, it offers the lowest vibration of any MILWAUKEE hammer and reduce hand fatigue during prolonged use. The tool also features a replaceable handle, which makes it a lasting tool that can be easily maintained. Plus, its ergonomic design provides a comfortable grip and precise control, whether for light taps or heavier blows. Built for reliability and ease of use, the MILWAUKEE Fibreglass Engineers hammer is a perfect tool for both commercial and household tasks. Having trouble accessing tight spaces or looking for a faster, more efficient ratchet? Maybe your toolbox doesn't have the right tools. Say hello to the GEARWRENCH 120XP ratchets. Featuring a double-stacked pawl design, these ratchets offer 120 positions and a 3-degree ratcheting arc, perfect for working in confined spaces. The low-profile head and flush-mounted on-off switch provide excellent access, while the polished chrome finish resists warmer, rust, and corrosion. The enclosed head design keeps dirt out, ensuring smooth performance. Available in standard and extra long handles, these ratchets also feature an 11-position push-button locking flex head for adjustable angles and a dual material comfort grip for better control. GEARWRENCH 120 XP ratchets bring strength, durability, and convenience to every job. The next tool of our list is made to cut through concrete, autoclaved fly ash brick, gypsum board, and ice blocks with ease. The INGCO Light Concrete Saw. This tool comes with heat-treated teeth that provide enhanced durability and ensures long-lasting performance and resistance to wear. The surface is treated with electrophoretic paint to protect against corrosion, increasing the saw's lifespan and reliability. For comfortable handling, the saw features a two-tone color soft handle that reduces fatigue during extended use. Its lightweight design allows for easy maneuverability, making it ideal for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. The concrete saw is built to provide efficient, precise cuts while offering comfort and durability. How do you keep your hands dry, warm, and protected during cold, wet conditions on the job? You better get this Toolant waterproof winter work gloves. Made with a double layer of fully dipped latex, these gloves provide complete waterproofing, ensuring your hands stay dry in the harshest weather. A brushed fleece lining inside keeps your hands warm, while sandy-dipped rubber palms offer excellent grip for handling tools and materials. These gloves are also touchscreen compatible, allowing you to use your phone or tablet without removing them, with a Velcro wrist strap for a secure fit and a PU skirt at the wrist for added warmth and windproofing. These winter work gloves are ideal for construction, fishing, gardening, and other outdoor work. You need to protect your hearing while staying connected and aware on the job? Meet MILWAUKEE USB Hearing Assist earplugs. This is the last tool of our list, and you can say the most needed one. These earplugs provide controllable situational awareness, allowing you to reduce the intensity of loud external noises while maintaining job site awareness. With Bluetooth 5.1, you can connect your devices to listen to music, podcasts, audiobooks, or accept phone calls hands-free. Certified for hearing protection, they feature silicone and foam ear tips that provide passive noise reduction and are small enough not to interfere with PPE hats or hoods. Offering up to 10 hours of runtime on a single charge and up to 70 hours with the USB case, these earplugs are designed for extended use with a state-of-charge light to keep you informed. So, that's all. Thanks for watching our video. We hope you enjoyed discovering some of the latest and greatest tools. If you want to stay updated on the newest releases, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. See you next time.